Hello everyone, welcome to IT Twist. My name is Gaurav. As I launched my new hands-on Python course, I'm really amazed with the response that I got from you guys. I assure you that I will provide you quality content in learning Python. So let's start the course by an introduction. I'm Gaurav Bhardwaj, having wide range of industry level experience in Python. I contributed to many open source platforms like Mozilla. You can find my name in Mozilla credits. I started my Python journey long time back, around 8 years ago. So I want to tell you guys from my experience, Python is really easy and awesome. You can do wonders in less line of code. Once again, very thanks for joining and subscribing my channel. In this video, we will learn how to install Python on your operating system. It doesn't matter which operating system you use right now, whether you use Windows, Linux or Mac. I will cover Python installation for all the three platforms. Let's start with Windows. I'm in my Windows machine right now, so let's go to your browser and go to this website, which is python.org. Then we need to go to this download section. You will find Windows, click on that and you will find this executable installer and you have to click on this. And Python will be downloaded on your machine. Then we just need to execute this particular Python installer. So I'm clicking on this installer and this particular window will get open, and make sure to add Python 3.8 to your path and we need to install it. It will ask for a user account control, just give your permission and it will be ready to install on your machine. As the installation is finished, so you need to select this option, disable path length limit. Select this and your setup will be installed. Now let's go to terminal or your command prompt. So as of now I'm opening this Windows terminal which is launched brand new by Microsoft. So I will select the command prompt from here and we will execute this command, which is python --version. You will see the version here, Python 3.8.3, and when you enter Python you will get this shell. So it means Python is installed on your machine. Now let's move to Mac. I'm in my Mac machine. Let's open a terminal and execute this command, brew install python. It will fetch files from the server and after that Python will be installed on your Mac machine. So as of now it is downloading files from the server. So now when you will execute Python 3 version, you will find the version of the Python below, which is Python 3.7.3. So now let's move to Linux. I am in my Linux machine. You will find the steps of Mac Python installation and Linux Python installation a bit similar. Let's open up a terminal and execute this command, which is sudo apt-get install python 3. It will ask you for credentials. Let's give the credential and after that it will fetch the files from the server. For me it is already installed. For you it will take time. And after that we will write the command, which is python 3 version. You will see Python version is getting listed. It means Python is installed on your machine. So that's it for the installation of Python on Windows, Mac and Linux. So that's it for the installation of Python. If you face any kind of difficulties or challenges while installing Python, please post your queries in the comment section below. I would be happy to assist you. In the very next video, we will create our first program in Python, so stay tuned. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.